The beach is really my happy place. I don't know, every time I'm at the beach, it really gives me calmness. The sounds of the waves, the water. Maybe because I'm an Aquarian, or maybe I just felt that if you're at the beach, you're so free from all the chaos, from all the hustle and bustles of the city, from everything really. It just gives me that calmness. I consider it as my happy place. What I love about Australian beaches, they are really pure in nature. They really preserve their beaches, not commercialized, and you don't see any establishments around, just the beach, nature, and yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Australian poodle miniature in nature.
Oh yeah!
Very fun, very smart. Sit. Magaling, magaling.